Dominic wants to do for high school school bra.
Yeah.
The eyebrow, what Doobie does.
Okay, go, baby.
I accidentally hit that chin when the water was. What?
I wish I could do that, son.
The mockingbird. You know those birds that will copy us to a song? That's what it is right now.
Oh.
Look, this is a tile.
Okay, hold on, listen.
Oh, I see you.
Is that him or is that a bird?
That's him right there, and then there's a mockingbird.
Okay, wait. Shh. Don't step in that. Do it again, Dom. Did you hear it? That bird mimicked you.
It's a mimic bird.
Wait, okay, do it again. Or is that a whistle? I mean,
No,
it's not. It's not an echo. That is amazing.
I got a walking stick and it's the doggy stick. Don't jump on me if you jump.
He just showed you how to get across without getting water on you. Hold on.
I can't jump stick.
Okay, wait. Let me get through. Here. Allie. Yeah. Hold on, wait.
There's a spot in there I can walk through.
Okay, wait. Whistle again and be quiet, Allie. Oh, there's the crows. I don't like crows.
I do. I really
Oh, careful. Don't get your shoes. Don't get your shoes. Walk. Oh, there you go.
I walked in part of
Yep.
This is the tree you were talking about, right? Is this the tree you were talking about? Yep, this is the tree you were talking about. It does look like it's pulled out, Mom.
Oh, it's because the roots, because of all the limestone and the granite under, it can't build roots very long.
She stole the fire pit stick.
Okay, let's see.
I actually tried this one. This is like,
Yeah, see how like small the roots are? They can't get too deep into it. So it's easy where it falls. It's easy where it falls. I don't think that made sense.
It was cool that though. It was mockery.
it's a mockingbird.
That is so cool. I wonder if people think that if that is a Bigfoot mimicking them and it's really the bird.
Whoa. Yeah, baby.
That's not the lake. That's just, I'm glad we didn't build the house down here or bring the house here because it would have flooded.
Why is your flash on?
My flash is on? Oh. I don't know. It goes on automatically. I'm videotaping. Oh, that'll bring a whole bunch of mosquitoes.
You can see Mama's house.
Oh, I can't believe it. It's all filled up. Looks great. Oh, wow. Oh, man.
It's a waterfall.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna consume going down.
Wow.
Like, I didn't even jump in it.
The dog was running in it back there.
That's why he jumped on me and I was telling him he was so wet.
That is so neat how it filled up. We were just walking over here not too long ago, so dried up. It was hard to imagine what it would look like with water. This would have been nice if we had this during summer. We could have just walked over here, down here. This is right at the bottom of our property line.
That kid is drinking the water from it.
Yeah. Oh, this would have been so wonderful when summer was here.
What about here? That's it.
Okay.
Look. I think they're
It's pretty, huh? I know. They have the best rocks here.
Yeah.
I love them.
We should
All the
bring one-
colors.
We should bring one home for
I have a
Grandma and
whole
Grandpa.
bunch, the little ones that I've been collecting.
Yeah, you should bring one
Yeah, we
home for
should bring
Grandma.
a big one, huh? Do not get your inside your shoes wet. Okay.
I've done this before.
Uh-huh. Those are new shoes, I think.